On the first day, we talked about how was our commute to university and the problems we had on our way.
My commute is driving 15 minutes to campus from the west side. I think the challenges it has is traffic on the freeway, as well as trying to find a parking space that is close to campus without paying.
My daily commute to school is I basically have to get up early. Overall, it takes me 40 minutes to an hour to just get on campus.
I don't know about you guys, I personally don't like paying for parking. Second of all, I personally don't like sitting in traffic. That's one of my worst things I hate most.
So we came up with different and crazy solutions.
One solution we came up with was to have like a little tram type thing in every student's backyard, and the track would lead you straight to the university. The only problem was that it's a very big project that everyone would have to put into their backyard.
As solutions for this problem were a shuttle that traveled along that university roundabout so that it could pick us up and take us to school without any delays, and some tunnels that went underneath the roadways. That way we didn't have to stop for cars or bicyclists, and we could just walk underneath there without a delay in our commute. Another one we had was the jetpack idea. That way we could just lift off from our house and go right to school.
From jetpack backpacks, zip lining, 2-3-seater bikes. I mean, there's been a whole bunch of different stuff, but we've been thinking about doing a Lobo portal.
And at first I didn't really like the idea, but as we kept talking about it, I started to like it more.
And I think with the new LoboPort, it will solve some of these problems with transportation, for either from home to campus and from different locations within campus. It would definitely solve a lot of students' commute problems.
I got put in charge for designing the app. For our teleport system, I originally started on index cards. I looked through Google Maps and MapQuest to see how they laid their system out, and so in thinking about the design, I thought, what's the logo going to look like? And then I thought, okay, so if I'm going to get from point A to point B, how do I enter that? Thinking about using the teleport system, it would be great to figure out how to do in the future. It would save the environment, save buying a vehicle, traveling to school. It would be part of our tuition cost. Right now we're thinking on a city level where we could incorporate it.
So my task as part of the design team was to actually create an initial design for the prototype and build that. So I started sketching out some ideas. I knew it had to be something bold, something new, like you'd never seen before, something that just screamed, walk up to me, interact, something that wanted to be used, something that had to be used, and something that would be fun to use, even if you didn't have a commute, because by using this technology, you are furthering the evolution of humankind. I wanted it to be as sleek as a MacBook Pro, and yet as rugged and industrial as a park bench. So I wanted to embody all of that in a brand new, exciting design, and so that's how I came up with basically this 1990s computer monitor box that fit inside of the emergency telephone pole system, and that's how we got the LoboPort.
takes you instantly. Like, you don't even feel a thing, which is really cool. Like, it's literally like floating in the clouds, they say.
Come and use me.